Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Ahmed and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to format your PC without losing your personal data in just few simple steps. Okay, first click on the Windows icon over here. Then click on Settings. Then click on Windows Update. Then click on Advanced Options. Then scroll down a little bit. Then click on Recovery. Then click on Reset PC. And as you can see here, we have two options. The first option allows you to remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. But the second option allows you to remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. But since we just want to format our PC without losing our personal data, so we have to select the first option, which is keep my files, okay? And like that, you can format your PC without losing your personal data, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video. Bye.